Unboxing my Christmas gift finally. This is what's in the box. Okay. The Go Zone. What I really love about this set is a few things. The skipping rope and the mat is totally amazing. Jumping on this mat with the skipping rope and the bounce you feel underneath your feet, if you're just wearing socks, is absolutely just so cushiony. So whether you're wearing socks or running shoes, I didn't try it with running shoes yet, but I'm sure it's amazing. All I know is jumping on that mat compared to the ones that I have, there's such a huge difference. It's totally awesome. Love the resistance bands. Love the ankle weights. Also, you can use them on your wrist. I haven't done that yet, but using the ankle weight, using them on your ankles and working out with them is actually pretty awesome. Pretty awesome for someone who doesn't really use any equipment when she works out. My number one go-to is always walking, and all this stuff is a bonus and a plus. So grateful. And ab roller right here. Waist trimmer, they call this. And of course, a cooling towel. And then we have over here, sorry, these are resistance band, also 3-in-1. Same as what we have over here, just a different style. These are looped resistance bands, and the other ones are 3-in-1 resistance bands. Okay. So now we're gonna put this something. My comeback on 100. Let's talk it, more action. You just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating. No losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings. I turned that into money. They gotta never. Oh yes, I forgot to mention how much I love the body roller. It's absolutely amazing. Carlene, out.